If your morning coffee is usually down to the tune of honking horns, you're a perfect candidate for a change to rural bliss. Welcome to your serene sanctuary in central Illinois, where tranquility meets affordability in the heart of nature. Here, you can bid farewell to the sky-high costs and constant chaos of urban life. Nestled amidst rolling fields and vast open spaces, this charming home isn't just a place to live, it's a retreat. With picturesque views that stretch to the horizon, and a community that's as safe as it is welcoming, every day feels like a peaceful vacation. And let's talk affordability. For just $139,900, this dream can be your reality. This cozy home features wood floors, a full basement, and the potential to expand with more bedrooms. It's not just a house. It's an opportunity to transform your lifestyle without breaking the bank. Forget about traffic jams and overcrowding. Here, the only rush you'll experience is the rush of fresh country air. Outdoor adventures await in your own backyard, and the close-knit community events bring neighbors together like family. Ready for a change? Your rural haven is calling. Message Doug today for more information and step into the life you've always dreamed of. Let's make your rural escape a reality.